Hello, I was watching Hick na Seansálaithe, mas maith sean a ghlacu glaciad na Seansálaithe. Is mis siúma go cheada agus tá a bhádní sinne ó tholas an tam dearna unless go tú ag mó bhréithla an dónach, in which case tá exactly an níos céarna a bhíma ó ná dearna ó bhfuil má leat an dónach. Tá an seo mar scra lemuid códaí lemuid chuide dúspóir tá an seo le aine bhuiir aine go dtí tú.
Me go brat man é chuirt fiidir go me caiún ruidir céine a chaibh sa tafa a Jackte sílí daine nó bhfuil éí ar bí helógam. Sílam ghil fi mo roiig dúach mar ggéine arcaide gus leis lá céine. So mo tá me tuirt le leiscil an sin I swear tá éí elegam I swear.
Tá tú just Salach caia agus catú dinge tá Salach caia Tá an seo fásta le James ó Florida James Jimmertá tú.
Má tá go na intros a back bheith beganín
Máslach
chumsa. So sin go má tuir seoch hé sé de seachtainna agus tá go mé exactly mar chéile i rí sé tatan seogaing mé de seachtain mór amachróing i ríist. What in that? Sunsáasta. Bhí de seachtain má.
Bhí anhaid ag an trúróging, I would say. Bhí an trúróging aonpaint a gríthe. Ar dúspóir caiime rud did get about the Áine sort of hostage and taffet, but James kind of shot stuff fast. It was just the weirdest imacht a bhí mise ag rectal, not a rectal, but more fartsta in my heel. It was bilingual comedy agus Lord faoin Gaelic I Kilishandra I Cavan, it's jazz, the jazz, but also not helping the stereotype or Harvey. And it ended with like a verbal scrap or stature either polychar a tag rectal sa te can and you a tag tarlu and you a tag tarlu agus much agus and craylu gal bia if absolutely hilarious like Mahane agus Shayna Sullivan as in of Kerry Cowboy fame, friend of the show. Bhí muid fan is tísa bar, like muid fan is tísa pub. Agus her and lad cat rud dúirt lad lin was ar bhí leat like má fanship se seomra céarna cos nimime gaiir glantáirí a lai an de seomra.
Okay.
So that was line number one. With lad a Cavan. But the follow-up was, but my friendship, no, actually, and direct quote was, if you get a bird, like, just let me know, like, we'll sort it out for you. So Sean like much Sean much you can ask like quick woman to right. Sean like and get Cora a bhíogaing, basically. It's all right, like the baby just is Sean Ricky and it's coming like it's coming in, like whatever.
Will Dini fósa birds or ra who's a gunday Cavan?
Well, an lad shot or ain't those dirt Sean with the dirt shot.
A solo tá bhacht tú begáil ar éiceach. Agus sin like cén duinehach orú like láirs le ban agus sin a bheith cuimrúí dá bhacht si begéir an chaáile I de thuirt I as sin áin. And then on Banter all around. Cuimar níos túisce dúir tú Brandach tú cho sketchy. Brandach tú cos le go bada do like do pad
or rud like our nose taken like trickle ding does. It's like no kind of Lord and Banter sort of took him to so a shop.
Yeah, the one night stand velvet.
Oh my god. Like bhí se crackáilte, bhí se absolutely crackáilte. And then much creedy go fáil leis an Banter shop because then they're thug se áthú, which was like basically how like in gata even weeks like they're really like Dundars whatever. And then he was like listen to the áthra seo the year so in fair that with €6 a deposit le hain áthair. We're like what?
Sim sin seo mar íchaintúirí, like dúr fórsib curú bheith seo.
Yeah, and he was like, just rugla gur gan siomh. And I was like, I mean, yeah, like 10 cash or like just a bit weird like agus yeah no just torn cat but you're rock fi ogum I was like wonder like ma dark ma would he give me the 20 back or would he give me like change for a tenner back like in budget and rud agus yeah fi really at
Is it bud an bhar cin thugann chuú súschuib?
no ní hé
Okay.
no it was a grúpa agus a ríis just a bheith ansáir bhín gang a dagaí seo le tarlú intí a jazz agus ancárach agus díag siad high spice bags which is and rud is táhaí that's all I need really to be honest.
He was like I'm sold
I'm sold not for in airgad so this is grand right agus an sin should doing like Cade and country whatever and it's Mahain agus Shane thingy being a gober staman agus na birch polichor actual shot I take rack as a take on ken o phenophile agus ken o Sinn Féin agus we were like okay now so really came foul majingin shaw but like Jenny Maja so then the arms to stand up yenu the dingy ága a bhí gan Gaelic gan focal Gaelic or be. It was exactly like near Dublin like remember rud that takes tash up the hun and it was supposed to Cavan fasta a genu stand up basically the dingy nachro ein Gaelic acu agus genu stand up as Gaelic it was Giarcan rud Cairna ach in pub there for agus sin hasi and Fleadh and when I say it was the spiciest cora I've mission more farts da in my heel basically like kind of when you're around that row and Corla Condai genu ein rod thing a ban when a V or in Corla Condai like a curt like a villain or in the real to see your fad agus misha agus Shane ik see Saoire misha team went like in the lads Shane ik see Deireadh a wire and Birch Polichor agus the bit like blah, 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 like a straddler hella basically agus an sin VR just to be like all right well we think we'll Cavan pretty cool so gur mí mai so gur mai
run the politorí seo an loudscale agus é státe
so the ringwood and play like lehan Gaelic lehan marla because it was foi like status and Gaelic and then like cader féid le dingy anu le a Gaelic fiausú mata ein malti ogin le céntáid le an maihí a hort tugan an Gaelic that daoine agus iad a Gary Colstar pass ní frill so bhí se just like ar an taobh sin I'm like okay gen kilgrum a hénig sé on but then bhí like ceisní like ionta like ag ddíú like go homlan ar Cavan agus ruí mission and I was like I have no idea cén fa ubad can seo Harvey but bhí se gas
so does it just see she's agus an bird absolutely going at it agus sin stop sé is what like so Shane ut an laut some fin hike seo dat go
Instant we could TikTok ni.
And Kenneth's fair was gur so we punch away agus like we should like a tridge like it was like a really heated debate punch away whatever agus just that show whatever agus their chain with it like it was like you've just tuned into prime time Bisha hilarious I was like
Katie Hannon
literally I was like Katie Hannon could never get the score female like oh my god like Bisha just hilarious like but then obviously Creaky and Cora and then they were just like all right well more Shanina like Shanska manager and Pat and Cora Kierna in the Asia after absolutely slating each other first yeah the big yeah rather wind though a race for and Bannister and Cavan though just to put a bow on the whole thing the so Haine here father whatever it was just like Jagari shifting each other in the corner and like mission and like it was proper like country pub country loving proper country loving agus Lee agus they're generally like here listen like I did there that are ash like because you have also basically like just let again whatever agus they're leagues there's just a banter who's like here listen like in failing just nary that rash like whatever just because carring a flag Lua imagine because the shashni new amok the Killarney from Mishin rud the not loan agus dúirte I'll get the money whenever I get the key back. Agus they're much, but like much fun like was there like we're not going anywhere. Like what do you mean? Like cannot go failing a call you? Like where could we lose it? Like, you know? Agus they're I don't think that's too much to ask now, just to, you know, you get the money back whenever I get the key back. And you're like, how much a call actually? And I was like, lad, ní almsa. And he was like, that's great. Sure, that makes no difference. And I was like, what are you doing with the catch me? I was like, what are you talking about? And he was just like, you were really Gary Nary the Hortarash. And then you were
Hortarash?
Forma Jurash, but Dag Shay and Pub were like our margin, like all our farm. And so I had to like get it off some random electrician, obviously. And then even the electrician was suspicious. He was like, it's just the one key, right? I was like, yes.
Witcher and Cavan, I'm telling you.
Listen, it's Brala Witcher and Cavan, it's Brala McCrack, it's Brala like the Amber Doigang. It just grew a couple of young that were really embracing the stereotype at the
Sounds like it.
Just a touch. Just a touch. Fin breith already jazz fast in the agus gur mai gof as the chat was scaif. I appreciate it. Well, this is what's anyway, and you'll have forbidden fruit.
Yeah, we may. Well, actually, we may in Ennis James mar vi Fleadh Nua siúil ag an Chláir, so we may kind of our foot na hat and Deireadh na show, but we mentioned a couple of gigs and
Miss Worldwide.
I'm telling you, Mrs. Nationwide.
Mrs. Nationwide. The most cultural graffiti lot of it.
But we imagine Hahern on Granner Ugum in Inish because we says my Hishmori Gigianu kind of Gigianu the Kyotri a Tagiri see a stalat, so that the counter like Dini kind of mani set a Chaksalo Verica. Agus cuiimmuid istá in glóir in Inish agus bhí sé cosla an dóigur na cairecha sucr asú, so it was cairecha den trú aganne as an sin bhína líntí seo de gcuoine as ar góir i gcarcurn ar nós gur ceolcurm a bhíon ach bhí si de ligan sin le ceola casúlinn. So hánig mu istá as bhí ban ó Verica sucsis na cairecha le, you know, dena ober Jonach an éile agus he mom she's as dirt and van. That seats for the harpist. Their mom I am the harpist. Agus we should just call Deireadh faoin rud a lig. It was very like Hammond and Shaw le jobby in it. Like ní lig actually doing more in sus a ghlac doing tunes. It was kind just that she didn't shin le tunes all so they're like kind of, you know, we've paid good money to fly across the Atlantic to be here. So Lana or Vicasu. Níl go a gra gig
dance monkeys. Dance.
Yeah, literally. Dance. Now we should on jazz, but it was like stuff like Dini Chasa like mom or like, oh, and Jinglum Trila Winchas do Clarshak, saying lots of Trila Winchas Mucklarshak.
Yeah, I'll show you mine if you show me yours.
But we should just caucus. We should just caucus let performance. And Shin Kumadrai gig Eliano. And he sin agus he must a falls baron in it. Agus actually sílim girl an tune of yogan ar margin níos fearr because chuimiid as láithre chunimmuid an grúpa seo the woundtóirí a bhíon sin ó ceathairclog an lásin seo deitheclog sníhe by the way. Bhí sin né an scólachrít níos bhí, you know, daoine imhaáile obviously so dosin in junior search and all that, so bhí na múntree muoi I Jenna Kellera. I mean, so he would cheese chas mu tune on. Agus Harry Moonter shot, can I sing a song?
Jesus, okay.
And do you want she go my she go bra in a bidder tree tune ella and she starry, can I sing another song? And then Deary shot nis cutinte like lunch your he chasta and then Wulcha Punchin or she few kerkestern. Our gig hain like if we just chasta and just husuk she kanu. And then Honey Ban if he card le Fatakistan if he mas tune. Agus bhí mis canú óran ag an am. As hosí an band seo a bhí really daltar meisce. I Jenny sort like cóchiolaí. So bhí mé literally like Jenny gan éisteach because ní hoclam mé héin de clústal bhí an adog seo cóláidir. Agus an sin hánaí grúpa seo as bhí fearr bhí actually like a scradíil. Go dín puinte grower an tún is stopú I lá an tún as bhí ar my adrá leis. Oi, shut the fuck up.
What the hell?
Ag scradil. And I mean, show pub like ní mic'd up gig a bhíon seo. Bhí witness like cubby, like Shomer Cune. So man that chasta
old school.
Chasta agus le scradil. Bhí
Yeah,
daoine
of
sin le bheith
course.
géiste so
Chomuinte bhí gobar sa bob go bhána chaisiach
oh bhí muir an fob delighted because bhí grúpa múntrí acu sé ar chlig sa fob so bhí siad a ggóil trimú an beir sin amach
Yeah.
iontas asta so sin mo haid an dá gig daoine scradíil daoine canúir an sílam go bhharlam an ceanir mé leis na Americaní ar mait.
Ar leid bhí siad na géisteach. That's the, you know.
But yeah, den an céad le chuime súsaigh forbidden fruit le mo chul cethir agus bhí aimimseírínta agus chunimúd Nelly Furtado. Caiimrá ná ró an uimróhaid tí san áit bhí ní ro insert production value wahí mé leis an éile like okay tá insert thar se sin ará but ní ro insert soulshare an státe ní ro ein
Okay, well then yeah sin harsh then
like yeah ní ro knowing go mai like yes we would get to my sheer but just ní ro na speakers ínta just get to bug underwhelming mar éile caiimrá foghine an maid bhí ar like céidir na láháin steep galore Elam so yeah just sin leis an príomhstáte go bí ní ro an státe héin ínta like but tá sé áitgáanta hín talúálinn bhí sé deas like just bheith kilménam so win me soltas fós bhí se go mai and then hána me thugah se as bhí ihe galanta gin plán na crack.
That's just current sin cumnear mar I don't know bhfuil cumde go sure seo, but ag punch wags na ihe panic like a birch transharí seo is sa club and like the birch like gets out book shaw whatever and they just push the they're just like woo Gaelic
it's
Gaelic agus I think you're like I literally had my hardest and gang to Milan I was like I have no idea okay
an sin an bhirt a bhí ó bhí birch a lor mé leis a pointháin agus bhí siad caiidirrá like céir a chugan an seothú and it was very like gailge pas go bhaileach lia and ní os an céhí de corbe but bhí siad kind of just a fisrú Kidéhí ar siúlagan I was like honey bhí mu an seo tabhar fad this is nothing new like
this is a private function go leis scéil
it's a VIP section
Ní ná bhí cap bheith isclí nach just is go se
ní ro agus gur míháid a rééis an club le sinna
as Cursuslin agus Veco Cardial.
Cursuslin is the operative word I think is absolutely rud. And walk it to though and you tú leat hain ag forbidden fruit hí couple of celeb eile on hí Jenna Ortega on a walk it to hí.
Ní ach me Jenna Ortega. Chunig mé couple like influencer éannach is spástra tart a ní I mean Kidé a bhí arsúla Jenna Ortega an sin ní hola sin a bheith fear.
It's Bradley and Nelly Furtado. No, agus tá se fear. Tá se absolutely fear because bhí si
bhí an ús an.
Bhí fi an agus fásta bhí si ddíireach in nace le car lomsa as in bhí si like ag dasa le car lomsa agus íon sin or whatever.
Sin crack
which is just hilarious like.
Is bralam gohfuil daoine ábalta teachta rudí mar sin an éan agus ní chur an daoine stathú like no. Sin ag ddír bí eile bheith si mobbed bheith si náit dántreach like but I'd say idir daoine just gur cumló gur celebrity agus just daoine nar ahanní agus daoine rá Joat will leave her alone she's enjoying herself. I'd say nar chur an urgent daoine stathar hí churbe.
I would say so I would imagine that her
you should probably go a couple body gear multiple version though so
really
I should not wasn't just a security vegan fail it or was that because we she gargle arts and statue but I was just like
actually fear basically just security
I was like I feel like that was just like you know like whoever Brian and it's always lads and tushkert the vina genu and security ag which makes me feel really sad watch it because then no straight those suicide like him no car they're blown their art like cash to her or like thing and who's like in a position of authority and you're like come let's go whereas because task girl lad that's all the way it's like all right lad let's crack Jane crack here listen Jane well in Jane crack la shop and then we just shot agree to faster James like tashed us was go Clea agus go
London
I was going
Sorry?
London. Sorry. Yeah, the most random of fucking Instagram stories of Wakama was just
Yeah.
Listen Champions League Cup. All of a sudden, just asked man, I was like, wait, how the hell did this happen?
I was like,
Yeah.
are Inch James doing Grusha Dog in London?
No.
Well, news every my concept near my go London. So on the ceang the lads as a bhí mar J1 leis agus má cúna leis go bblion. Thoir se bhála ón Astráil agus chunig me de cédína agus chuid amach le cupúach catch up agus sin chum seach go Murphys agus bhí sé cans faoí an Champions League agus bhí sé rá gur go nún. Agus ní an ticket ach na just we should cap go Arsenal go us a clear canish, which was pretty grammar.
Pretty cocky.
And agus so was cans for you guess we should like oh yeah, shut up pub welcome wasn't the flights on. I guess we should like basically brand worms we should like James fucking see my go noon. That's just my
Literally those words.
Just give me a second. So chum mar Sky Scanner agus bhí sinna fly amach nach agus bhí se cinná dír returns go nach as bh chum go bra lia. So chum agus dus ma fly amach chuin nach agus fly seach go ballach lia agus d amach really séir agus so sinna an ma agus obviously sin bhí má mana lé a dúna na kosher Hugh, but yeah, she mental Holland. We can get a Dortmund fans on. Like we miss a root on, but Dortmund obviously. Agus yeah, we shot mental. It seems Cappy go like on Oka Chav Yaku and Áine. Was it an Áine? No,
Saturn?
Yeah, I think it was an Áine. Agus Saoire. Okay. We shot like 5 aside shot. Every on agus feel like loads ashtach legends a Gimmerton like Kaka, Luis Figo, like that the Ballon d'Ors groups in the I know is in their 40s and 50s and it's like we Roberto Carlos on Luis Garcia, Fado, Joe Cole, like all these class players. He was getting during not going on, so new room with Shacham because it was first come first served. I show how much he's good Trafalgar Square as that class. We in Champions League on like my Jamie Carragher,
yes,
like Liverpool legend. I guess if you screen more on the spawns of 5 aside shot, just class. Near Trafalgar Square spawns on Champions League final. So how much is because he pub between the bridges time we had, which he's in Akla Westminster. So they I guess so cool because in London idea it's a hero. So we like load ashach restaurant which is a bosha. Like because like Lebanese I guess like really cool archery. We screen more mental on and then we beer them on. I guess unreal. I guess yeah. By the time we made Ash Mona Clear, it's not only Hugh, we made friggin' dotes. We more Lamy.
Yeah.
Just our fumes really. We shall journal come on. We're here to the whole chin, Augustin. Yeah, look like this weekend more means there Shachtner in a goon name. We said Mormach London, a kind of Okadi smooth soccer. Gach pléann ag Champions League fach mai híos ag ceann go ócad is smú pell gcuilech an cumad is pelle.
Yeah.
Right after the win Eastern anyways. So yeah, we should just ceann session more so
yeah. A ceiste go mirt an bhfuil de chligin nimhnach in an Leaf Road mór soccer sin a bhfuil mar bhí suirt tump san níos
No, hollow to be honest. Bhí mar imneach go bhris me like
Ristí de chligin.
No, go bhris me Leroy's like and ní féidir cloiginn se bhris ná take leis.
No. Yeah.
No, dúspóir in écin béach still sa fé ach nar léman ma had sin fence dús. Bug nach an ma absolute fucking scrá am hain like hí mo chosa a chud stiff a dí me. Should like hour what 20 something goal.
Jesus Christ.
Like mal de hín agus ich de starring sin agus sin like just like bunach you must go me like like you're in the team Leroy hating on the mach like load ash of pink vests just shoot team Leroy like basically yeah ni was good things caddish and Tarlo
Yeah. So this thing a wang of cad acu to header the ball basically.
yeah like his head like his Leroy's massive like steel beyond basically like so I don't think you capture going in the but look when ik my opportunity score a Danny Carvajal headers to class but like you know what show them one impersonation with Danny Carvajal
in almost all
yeah you were like Hala Madrid
Well bhí deir seachtainna iontathe ag an trúirgain ach just máthim like I wish go deir seachtainna de sos agam so le dagan féil na galí morró.
no
Ní léon there's no rest for the wicked. Like tá
They're
dul díar go stahan nar hagan an podcréile seo máthniú bé muid either hí an hanahéin nó ar an malach ar an malach síos go rachar an glas na mí le deir seachtainna gan mar an choú a bheith agan na bheith fearna
yeah
bé muid sin nar hagan maidin deún tá mé just a ghlacu leis an inis sílan go mé muid le rundown go mé slide an agan
yeah
bé mu just Christa. But look, be sé ínta.
Tá sliding arms a Hannah thing I'm already like
no.
yeah big fair was like the sliding arms
na vitaminí ghlacu so le déanta síos go racaran.
yeah I know
You're like yeah no
no it's Becartu you are right Becartu Shinianu I'm not going to but Becartu should but Becartu Shinianu
Tá mé sé go bug cos le James na glóir scriste ó bheith canú ag Nelly Furtado get a bug I'm like a bird get a bug an omar the sin so sin agus an deir seachtain seo ar bar sin ní bheith glóir bí fá gom
no
be sé scrista
agus fiú
Is fiú agus bé tá go banín tá go bheith anam líana chunig mu na sean vanús mé firsta bhí si an mais so tú mé súla íne a ríis
Torby fast walk which was both
Torby bheit se anhaid bé jiggy an can go wrong le jiggy
Bonnie Men
Super
Kaylee
Maybe she did a annual rendition going Colleen Alling the globe
gurí after party after entertainment by James or File le golóir na can wish the beer garden
Colleen Alling Sheryl Connemara
Sinead
Connemara the town of Carroll
yeah it's going to be class agus Huartan Roofline thuras tá much really so gomór leis caramai as dúna ná atá go bheith sin agus sin the launch album and sin sa Cobblestone ar an March in the Asian so tá honey deck of you again shocking I know Michigan Doll had multiple gigs in 1 week wouldn't be like me at all or Harvey
Bay carja than pod na gael gals a glacu and slashed and pod crelume Lena it's fine we're not salty about it it's fine it's fine
no
no it's fine ní much cross their bay
was it that is so more leis na unsaharing agus ma I cur muid I cur Hugh chríos na skillan na sport aige ar a bar pelle se isúla na líróí chute sa gáir
An Cabhán is slitar sa car gan hin réile go
Masú mór leis le kick about river couple pinta
Jen ken you garn cuimne arms ar leis because so goil in the GA shorts packet lom
clog do cumai
clog
fá dochas boot should the réiti version
oh my god no me I'd say it'll be the Air Maxes will be in such like you know but she homes and but she brought like palogum Sir Harvey
agus caihí ahan duna jersey chun dééis acu caihí right Denny would like show
oh yeah
okay
I'd say Vinci generation even Monroe
But ceartún ar ahan duna go bhéile jersey a caiú and we'll do like cosle like law ag rag
county colours
oh my god na sweet Kerman message in ish or socials as during dahan the jerseys are low
the Ennis James going jersey pulling or
Déan jersey swaps le daoine cos le
No,
clíthe.
no,
I
No,
would.
no,
Oh,
ní me
no,
se
no.
go well,
ní éonidir fámachas jerseys.
no, tá cean orgum ní lenar bí a chaithú.
Yeah. Mr. Ross, I wouldn't put anyone through it. Shouldn't run this smoke.
Yeah, fair.
Níor bhhailm go mé ar aonige déile
No,
lei
Tá
sin.
go Connemara Wales jersey bhar ar a saring leis an commemorative jersey bhí orú gimmers na cearú of Boston, so it's
Ooh,
means too much.
fancy.
Yeah.
De me se caiú an Donegal. I mean, níl éon gansaí eile gur féad le a bheith caiú.
Well,
Only the best.
in fairness, like on Gazi got it Thompson to every shade there, it's my machine. It's you named them go to a jersey pulling super rips. Oh, Kid Wayne. Oh yeah, subkeeper.
Oh, cool.
Under
Oh.
21's fado, yeah. Very
Okay.
sexy. Yeah.
Yeah.
Didn't even get on the pitch. That's how exclusive I was.
Ooh, I was on the panel. Mm-hmm.
Ew.
Ooh la la. Yeah, no, I don't think Commission ní sin rud tumas go léanú ní ceapam. But no, definitely very much gála had kick about mar dearan siad. Tá buzzal, Tá absolutely buzzal dó.
Yeah.
Agus fásta dúá actually ag dul amach in the seo mu a bheith Harbh bougie ríis and James Tessa would say I need to make another investment. Agus te the wear or major than to do so that I need to invest in a new air mattress. Le
Oh, Mr. Freshen, gur maigad funny cargad na do.
high and fail it because vi in the hall room air mattress.
Yeah.
Le tam us. I was just there so you were like nífiú to do actually Mr. fan to my hack just change the sheets and tall ganis.
Because like taco is she's air mattress.
No, we should actually really ask ich want to about this Shummerson because you had an air mattress. No, just Zimmer in the air look machas. So we might perfectly edit talo. You're like near tada or when tada foom.
Sorry. Come on,
Starkers.
Yeah.
And you're tada foom. Chin random on my phone is you were like she done HRV. So she brand on my whoop. That is the highest it's ever been. So this was it feng shui go the Holland Hugh the go was braid impeccable. Yeah. But yeah, it's probably coach calling. So yeah.
Fair. That's fair. Do you know what?
He actually wrote this little as Aldi ni awadochen because you shall like stand if you on. So cannot like bed stand go air matches level to the tent. So you're like, geez, that's actually pretty.
So ní bheith ar an talú.
No, what do you suspend?
Smokas le like futon.
But surely to already as in talu agus to air mattress.
But like is like
Cosa bega, is it?
so he not like basically stretcher beyond air stand, but like hold up to the air mattress ed. So it would be because labels is that like
gas.
Yeah.
I feel like
I
feel like homophobic rather glahai. I feel like we're throwing in too many
Oh, bei mo phobal am lína cos le palas to my turton count allwar.
Chin Hugh, but this is get then he's just pobl latte, so it's at the earth and made room all the
Tis a reach or mo air mattress. That'll be what it is.
You bring a board. If you bring a board back.
If you bring a board back, listen, we'll sort it out for you. Listen, I don't want listen, just so we don't have to pay for the cleaners. We don't have to, you know.
Oh, ní bhéim rá that back no that is like you should fucking hold
Yeah.
Hey, no, respectable boys Homer, them actually cleanish for Lord. So yeah.
That to cleanish. To really cleanish. You have to do their rain dates or Harvey.
Actually Neil.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What do you say you're going to?
Yeah. Flaky boy summer.
No, never. No, respectful boy summer. Shouldn't know that Darla jaw. The James on
literally thought like Tomakas is zero dini.
Fair. Did they go to make customs? So kind of fall railers in the apps, because fall railers in the
look, that should go to ver melch mach, even I don't know. He's on. See what the Michigan or 10 shot na show. Na. Toch mach room. Screen na scala. Couple kick at football. Agus cool ma. Agus ní mai ger ta da. That's it. So fucking falgi mach what me.
I very much that's just crushing the cover armor really got. You know when Fresta like gob flop blast in there and
Mhm.
whatever.
Mm.
Yeah.
Le blianti cheap mise gur bod floch agus blast in there in the bhíon.
Oh my God, Hugh.
I literally was like, that's insane. Go the
Yeah.
ration.
Tá sin cos le ús an sean fráda sin was rá go scáil. No lads ag scáil obviously nu mis sin bhí se le ní tad níos measa na bod na hasasa. Ní tad
What?
níos tear na banner a bhhar.
Near Hullama sin.
Sin na seanna cót.
Real.
Sin na seanna cót.
Real Hullama sin. Oh my
Luffa
god.
sala.
Oh.
But yeah, honest to God, cheap my garbation I
Ach
think the dirt
ní
may
a chuir
like
sin seanna có sin deirseachta seo. No.
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 Tá sé rá le daoine fannacht hiú le mar ní sé chud
Daoine,
rialachtaí héin a bhrisú.
No.
Yeah.
Tá mis cas bhí cholanna. Ní even gur éidir lásam.
Fiú muidne.
Well, cos schedule seach meeting points them because my girl will hain.
I got just on Google Calendar and ish.
Be my just can was that no bubble soccer uniforms.
The Sorbies.
Yeah, the Sorbies. Like be Doris Pagamas film like okay, goes out the three no my dad loves them. Get your points across. Fuck off.
Parish Mafig.
A mé sib sé genú an ran yoga ag an níolog maidin just ahar na tí sa tipi.
Oh yeah.
Should it Tarlu?
Lovely.
I mean,
if you make on my yoga mat to Hortland, but more as just really the collar, but that could be the move. Do you know?
Tá gin ar new shot.
Bed I bet much new shocked now.
Yeah, dú sin dúnar golús hosín tú hosín na héna canú. Oh no wait, te mu a choúnar clu mu na héna canú.
Yeah.
That'll be nice the could you name the halu now. It'll be a going to sleep yoga session and that's having it like muscles to us. This is them aligning their energies high and low. Like Sean would you Gary like to relax so that I go much non-dolly. I think
can you nap bogan in and session yoga. Yeah, sounds good.
No, yoga warm up on football.
Oh yeah.
Loosen the joints. Oh.
Well, I heard just Sheelam Gabation, eh? Kaimisha Fall Ray, the High, Emacht, All War, Da Film the Galaxy, my fit around you. This is that round here, James Hanna. As in fits like a hey, not Mulhutch fits. Although that would be really cute. Then you're in the mudge.
Yeah.
Like Glace we held to us. Badger. Well, Mr. James is chatting like black jeans and a football jersey.
Air Jordans.
And you can't remember the Jordans, the father. Although I do want a new pair. Gee, and actually can't be Jordans, which come dull, which Paul Ray, the high, Phil and Saru, Darlum, hey, absolutely buzz on the high. Gajishin, gur mílemáid with vacation Shansi, be much ranch chat jogging la agron ur. Gajishin is fairly much lance on the mat hoster or Shansi or Instagram, Shansi or Twitter. Shansi or YouTube, so I go out to Eka Argus. Áine Galta is either the Eka Fasta or Spotify. I'm asking this was an hap and a nap is to a goosage and a nap a goosage Spotify a gay Charlotte. But the guy Áine I'm sure the man hosted this more anywhere or Instagram anywhere or Twitter I guess anywhere or TikTok. But the guy James I'm sure the man hosted na bach Niash Lord lad okay respectable boys summer Niash Genoa. But in a respectable boy summer today, I'm sure, or Flahertach or Instagram, Flahertach or Twitter, I guess Flahertach or TikTok is what the guy Mahena, I'm sure the man hosted. I'm over Hugh Carr here, Twitter, Hugh Carr here, Instagram, which is great, Hugh Carr or TikTok. Well, Andrew Della, the game just flug on this, sort of chain which.
You hate this hour on that, Lauren, because it'd be forever alone boy autumn.
No.
Wow.
But then, Bish had then cuffing season winter. So,
yeah.
You know. Tasha Chak.
Ní muid a kind fi coughing season rééis. Nope.
Oh, Nima Ray. No, we've broken the cycle. Tam's grant. But you saw this Jerry Shot, but you saw this film the galley, but that the piece is aber helloling must what they mean to get and fad. Who knows? Bedrick talking about shout out that. or something. I don't know. No, we'd probably just have her like hello and better high fives and whatever. We're super cool. Funny you saw the Seachtaine agus gan drás ríis leis agran uair na Seansálaithe. So long.
Wow.